Let me show you how to find the right tail area using the calculator. Let's go. Suppose x is a normally distributed random variable with mu equals 11 and a standard deviation equals 2. Find the probability that x is greater or equals than 13.24. So by hand, remember your mu is right here, and 13.24, this is the area that you want to find. So the first thing that we'll have to do by hand is find the z-score, which is x minus mu divided by the standard deviation. Once I do this, I get 1.12. Then I can look up the z-table and notice that the z-table most likely will give me this area from here to here, but I know that half of the curve is 50%. That's why I know that the area from here to here is 0.50 plus 3686, and if I add those two, it will give me 0.8686, and then if I want to find this area right here, which is what the question is asking, I will get 1 minus 0.8686, and that's how I get this area. Now let's do this in the calculator. Now let's do it in the calculator. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to distributions, and I'm going to do second distribution because distribution is blue. And I'm going to go to normal CDF because it's cumulative. I click here and I click enter. The command is going to be lower, upper, mu, and standard deviation. Now, my lower is 13.24. My upper is the infinitive. But for the calculator purpose, I'm just going to put 9999 because it's a high value representing the infinitive in this case. Mu is going to be